we go into our assignment for the pathos part of rhetoric, I just want to go over how to properly write an email because some of you guys could use a little bit of help with this. How to properly write an email is really important. You are going to be emailing a lot of teachers. I'm sure that you already have. And if you go to college, it's really important to email your professors professionally. And even in the workplace, you're probably going to need to send some sort of professional email. So this is a good guide for you. So there's really just 4 steps that we're going to go over today and that I would like you to apply whenever you write me an email for this assignment. So step 1. Write a subject. So you see that subject line, and don't worry, I'm going to go over it in my own email so that way you can see. So whenever you write a subject, you just write a few words about what your email is about, like 1 to 2 to 3, it depends. So if you're emailing me about like a missing assignment that you just turned in, just put missing work in the subject line, or help if you need help on an assignment. Just something that generally highlights what you are going to be talking about in your email. Don't write your entire email in the subject line. It's really hard to read, believe it or not. All right, so step 2 then is to address the person that you are sending the email to. Typically, whenever you start to email a teacher, or if you're the one reaching out first, you're going to want to address them. So you could say, "Dear Miss Khan," "Good morning, Miss Khan," or "Good evening, Miss Khan," or "Hello, Miss Khan." Any of those. If you're going back and forth a lot with the person, you don't have to say "Dear so-and-so" each time. This is really just for the first initial email. Your third step is just to write your email. Write whatever you need to. Ask whatever questions you need to. Just make yourself known. This is where you can write whatever you would like, but make sure that you are using complete sentences, appropriate capitalization, correct spelling. You don't want to make yourself look like you're just casually texting a friend. You're sending an email, which is a little bit more professional. And then your final step is just to add a signature. So you just say, "Thank you for your time," or "Sincerely," or "Best." It doesn't matter. And then you put a comma and your name. So I'm going to actually show you now what an email would look like. So I am just going to say I want to send an email to Mrs. Walton. I would type in her name there, and then subject line, say that I need help coming up with an assignment for you guys. So I would say, "Help with English 9," or something like that. And then I'm just going to say, "Good morning, Mrs. Walton." And see how I just say, "Good morning, Mrs. Walton," and then I put the comma. Then you just press your enter, and then you write whatever you need to. "I need help coming up with an assignment for my 9th graders. Can you give me any suggestions?" And then I would say maybe "Thanks." And then I would say, "That's fine." So here I have my subject line. I have my greeting to them. I have my email itself. And then I just said a little "thanks," and then I put my signature. So that's what's really important. And this is just a proper email. Now, your guys, this is going to be a lot longer than that, but I would like, and I will be grading you on how well that you write this email and if you follow these steps. So that's that. And I hope that you guys have a great day.